Okay, the next one we've got is derivatives from first principles, everybody's favourite. So when we do derivatives from first principles, we have our limit as h is approaching 0. We then have on the top f of x plus h, take away f of x, sorry for my addition sign there, and then on the bottom we've got our h. So basically we're working out that gradient as the distance between the 2 points is getting smaller and smaller. So we have our function up here of 2x squared plus 1. Now, side note, just so we know where we're heading, we should get an answer of, because we know how to do our derivatives by rule as well, we should get an answer of 4x. So we've got to have that in the back of our mind that that's where we're heading, and we should be getting that answer. If we don't get that at the bottom, we want to go back and try and work out where we've gone wrong. So we're going to put our x plus h in up here. So we've got 2 outside of x plus h squared and plus 1. And then we are taking away 2x squared plus 1. On the bottom, we've got our h. Expanding out that bracket. Now, you should be getting really good at expanding this out because that's always the same bracket in your first principle. So when we've got x plus h squared, that's giving us x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 1 minus 2x squared plus 1 over h. When we expand that out, we get 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared plus 1 minus 2x squared plus 1 all over h. So I can now go along and simplify. So I can cancel out the plus 1s because that's actually subtracting. I should have put my brackets around there. We're subtracting that plus 1, so that's how they cancel out. Then we've got the 2x squared minus 2x squared, and we're left with 4xh plus 2h squared. We've got our h on the bottom, so we know the next stage is going to be to take out a h from the top, 4x plus 2h, and a h on the bottom. So we can then cancel out our h's, and we're left with 4x plus 2h. And this is where the magic happens, because as h approaches 0, this is going to disappear, and we are left with 4x, which, surprise, surprise, was what we started with. If we didn't end up with that, we have done something wrong in the middle.